My name's Joel Grannas. This is Orange Man Bad. It's a 1994 Supra that we built over the past 3 years. The chassis is built by Precision Chassis in Pottstown, PA. And the motor is a Billet 2JZ. The block itself is from Bullet Racing in Australia. The head is Head Games Motorworks built, ported, basically the race package head. It's a factory cast head, just ported, polished, all the good stuff done for race. The cams are GSC R2Ms. It has a Precision 102 millimeter turbo on there. I always run Precision because at the track you always see the fastest cars, and what are they on? They're on Precision. So that's what I always run. The transmission in it is a T56 Magnum faceplated by Liberty Skiers. It's my GR1000F package. I actually sell these transmissions to customers, and it's a stock gear set, faceplated, cryo ram polish. So it holds up. You know, we make like a little over 2,000 horsepower through that factory Magnum gear set. So it's the Tremec Magnums are really impressive transmissions. The rear end is a Drive Shaft Shop 9-inch IRS rear end. It's using my Ultimate IRS rear suspension setup. So the car is IRS still with that 9-inch kit in there, and yeah, I mean it's we're gunning for the IRS record next. That's what we want. That was set by Mark Carlisle in his orange Corvette. He ran 658, so our goal is 657. It's currently the fastest H-pattern manual transmission car in the world. We've run 690, 699 here at this event, and then 684 is my fastest pass, or quickest pass, at 215 mile an hour. So we're hoping for another good day here and hopefully getting our 6-second pass by the end of the day. The goal of the build was to get the H-pattern record. That was always the goal, and now that we have that, I want to go even further, I guess. I think we're kind of at the peak of it, and it's cool to see the other guys out here like Atkins and Chris Moore and all these other guys pushing for it. So it's fun. Tire setup is a 28 10.5 Bracket Pro radial.
I'm Rob at Grannas Racing, main crew chief on the Supra. I had an EF, I was the EF guy for a really long time, and I just wanted to change. So I bought myself this coupe off of Honda Tech. It was on a part out thread. It was pretty much just the doors and the quarters that were left. The engine setup is a set of Manley rods, Arias HD pistons. It's a CSS K20 block with a K20 crank, stock port head with stock valves with SuperTech springs retainers. Brian Crowder all motor 2 cams, run the engine on a Haltech. It's got a Precision 6466 on it, and the very first manifold I ever made. It made 900 on a mainline hub dyno. It was 40 pounds of boost, fuel's Ignite Red. And then we run it on the street on pump E85. So whenever it's turned clear up, we put Ignite Red in it. No, the car was front wheel drive for a long time. I've had the car for close to 20 years now. And we decided, me and Justin at Hub City Performance decided that we wanted to get into the all wheel drive thing because it seemed like it was going to work really well for our cars. So he designed a trailing arm setup and everything, and this was one of the original test cars for it. It's a CRV, the 02 up CRV transmission. It's got a PPG Synchro 1 through 4 set with a base 5th, base 6th, and a 4.3 final drive in it. Fuel system's ID 2000s. It's got a surge tank with inside the surge tanks 2 450 pumps, and then it's got a big 8-gallon cell with a 255 transfer pump in it. K Sport coilovers with 10Ks in the rear. That's pretty much it, other than a set of old, super old, full race traction bars in the front.
Gotcha.
And everything else on its stock. The tires are 24 and a half, 8, 15 Mickey Thompsons, and then I run the exact same wheels with R8, or the R888Rs on them. The car's been 922 at 157.
What's your goal?
Whatever it'll do. I'm happy. It's my street car. I'm just out having. Yeah, I take it testing every once in a while just for fun. And this is the first big event we ran it at. Figured we'd bring it down with. We're here, might as well have some fun with it. I'm running stick shift, so I qualified in the stick shift pro. I went 940, 157, and qualified 6th. Yeah, I'm in the show, so I'm happy about that.
All right, man. Good luck this weekend.
Hey, thank you so much. Thanks for stopping by and enjoying my little car.